Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the software update details on the iQOO 7 device. So we do all know that software update has been rolling out in the iQOO 7 device, which is a 1.72.11. Yes, so right now I'm running only 1.72.9. So a lot of users did comment under my plenty of videos asking me that what about the new update which is a 72.11, when we'll be able to receive, because only few users got and few users didn't get. And some of the users are even asking me that can we download from the iQOO website what is available. That is what I'm going to discuss in this entire video. And a few of the users did even contact the iQOO team as well. And iQOO team they told that 1.72.11 is in grayscale test, as you can see. So all of us didn't receive the so far the update, as you can see. That is the reason. So maybe this might be the testing purpose update. That is the reason only few users did receive this kind of update, which is a 1.72.11. So it might take a little bit kind of more time than expected, friends. But meanwhile, I'm getting this kind of question. Let me just show you. So can I Google search and can I download from the iQOO 7 website? As you can see, latest update. That is what I'm trying to get. So many, not only one. I did get plenty of comments asking me that can we download from the iQOO 7 website or not. But right now I'll try to explain you what is happening. Let's open the iQOO 7 website. So this is iQOO website. Okay. So basically in the iQOO website you can actually find the column called support. Once you click on the support, there's an option which displays system updates. So now you'll get the three models, okay? iQOO 3, iQOO 7 and iQOO Z3. Now click on the iQOO 7. So once you click on the iQOO 7, you'll see this kind of update which says 1.72.1. But right now we want 1.72.11, not 1. This is a very old version. So even if you download and if you do, it doesn't work, no. Because its release date was, as you can see, 6th June. Okay, 2nd June, sorry. 2nd June the release date is, exactly. So even if you download it doesn't work. So right now we want 1.72.11, not 1. So don't get confused guys, because it's even if you download it's gonna be wasted anyway. So don't try to download and don't waste your time. That is the reason I thought of making a video and explaining clearly what is happening in the iQOO website. And I think the only possible way is that we need to wait for the update to come. So I'm not sure when we'll be receiving, but a lot of users did already receive. Not so many users, I think maybe out of 100%, maybe 10%, I think 10 or 20% people. So whenever I post a video on related to the software updates, only few users used to comment they received the update, not many of them. That is the reason, friends. And next, this is the update which we want, 1.70.11, not 1.70.1. This is not the update we want. So don't download this one. So that's it, friends. I thought of just letting you know what is happening in this iQOO 7 device. So it will definitely take some time, as per the iQOO team, they did mention that it's a grayscale testing. So I'm not sure when we'll be getting. So hopefully we will get as soon as possible. So even if you get, there's nothing going to be huge difference, I would say. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you want more details, don't forget to check the playlist as well. Until then, stay tuned, friends. Bye.